National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Putnam County, south central Paulding County, Van Wert County, west central Allen County, Ohio, until 11:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Convoy, or 8 miles northwest of Van Wert, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Van Wert, Delphus, Convoy, Otoville, Middle Point, Fort Jennings, Scott, Vandalia, Elgin, Wetzel, Tipton, Cabot, and Jonestown.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.